Check out this cordless handheld vacuum from Bayside Technology. This vacuum is perfect for keeping your car clean and quick cleanups around your home or office. It has 2 speeds and really strong suction. The attachments it comes with are a crevice tool for those hard-to-reach places, a brush tool, a hose extension, and 2 filters which are washable and reusable. All of it goes in this carrying case for easy storage. These are on sale right now for only $22. I put the link to them below so you can grab one too.